Good morning students, welcome back to Maths class. Students, today we are going to learn about exercise 21C, 8th main problems. 8th question. In each case given below, find the value of angle A where 0 degrees less than or equal to A less than or equal to 90 degrees. See here what is the meaning of this 0 degrees less than or equal to A less than or equal to 90 degrees? If we are getting angle A value, must and should 0 less than 90 degrees between angle want. That type of angle we want. See here. First, sine of 90 degrees minus 3a into cosecant 42 degrees equal to 1. See, we have to find here angle A. So, see here, sine of 90 degrees minus 3a. See here, sine 90 will become cos. See, sine of 90 minus a equal to cos. So, that's why cos 3a into, see here, cosecant 42 degrees. Cosecant reciprocal formula 1 by sine. That's why cosecant 42 degrees equal to 1 by sine 42 degrees equal to 1. See, again I will explain here. Sine 90 will become cos. That's why cos 3a into cosecant reciprocal formula 1 by sine. That's why cosecant 42 degrees value 1 by sine 42 degrees equal to 1. Next, see here, we have to do cross multiplication here. 1 into sine 42 degrees. Here cos 3a same. So, cos 3a equal to sine 42 degrees. Next, see here, sine we should change 42 degrees, we should change 90 degrees minus 48 degrees. See here, 90 minus 90 degrees minus 48 degrees value 42 degrees. So, that's why sine of 90 degrees minus 48 degrees. See here, again see, sine 90 degrees will become cos. So, that's why cos 48 degrees. See here, both cos same. So, cos cancel. Remaining 3a equal to 48 degrees. Next, a equal to 48. Here 3, here it will come division. See here, 48 divided by 3. See here, 3 1 ja, 3 16 ja, 48 degrees. So, a value how much here? 16 degrees. See here a value 16 degrees. See, 16 degrees is the 0 degrees and 90 degrees between angle. So, the answer is 16 degrees. A value 16 degrees. Next question. Ninth main, first question. Prove that cos of 90 degrees minus theta into cos theta divided by cot theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. See here, this is the LHS part, this is the RHS part. First we have to take LHS part. See, we have to prove here 1 minus cos square theta. See, that's why first we have to take LHS side part. Cos of 90 degrees minus theta into cos theta divided by cot theta. See here, cos of 90 degrees minus theta. Cos 90 is there, means cos will become sine. That's why sine theta into cos theta divided by cot theta. See here, sine theta into cos theta divided by cot formula. See here, cot formula cos theta by sine theta. This formula here we have to apply. Cot theta replace, we should apply cos theta by sine theta. Next, sine theta into cos theta into, see here, it will go numerator, it will come reverse. See, cos theta by sine theta, reverse means sine theta by cos theta. Next, see here, sine theta into cos theta into sine theta by cos theta. Here cos theta, here cos theta cancel. Remaining is what? Sine theta into sine theta. See here, sine theta into sine theta, sine square theta. See here, sine square theta formula 1 minus cos square theta. See here, what is the sine square theta formula? 1 minus cos square theta. So, cos of 90 minus theta into cos theta divided by cot theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta is the answer. Next, 10th question. Evaluate sin 35 degrees into cos 55 degrees plus cos 35 degrees into sin 55 degrees divided by cosecant square 10 degrees minus tan square 80 degrees. See here, first we have to do evaluate to this one. See, sin 35 degrees same into cos of, see here, 55 degrees, we can write 90 degrees minus 35. 90 minus 35 equal to 55. That's why 55 replace, we should apply 90 degrees minus 35 plus cos 35 degrees into, again see sin 55, we can write 55 degrees, we can write 90 degrees minus 35. that's why sine of 90 degrees minus 35 degrees, divided by cosecant square. See, 10 degrees, we can write 90 degrees minus 80 degrees minus tan square 8 is same. Next, see here, sine 35 into cos 90 minus a. Cos 90 will become sine, that's why sine 35, plus cos 35 degrees into, again sine 90 minus 35 will become sine 90 will become cos, that's why cos 35 degrees, divided by, see here, cosecant 90 will become secant. See here, cosecant of 90 minus a, secant a, that's why secant square 80 degrees minus tan square 80 degrees. See next, sin 35 degrees into sin 35 degrees, sin square 35 degrees plus cos 35 degrees into cos 35 degrees, cos square 35 degrees, divided by, see here, there is a formula, trigonometrical identity formula here, secant square a minus tan square a equal to 1. So this formula apply here. Secant square 80 degrees minus tan square 80 degrees value 1. That's why divided by 1. Next, again sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1 formula. Here this formula apply here. Sin square 35 degrees plus cos square 35 degrees value also 1. Next, see here, 1 divided by 1 equal to 1. So 1 is the answer. Next question, 11th question. Evaluate sin square 34 degrees plus sin square 56 degrees plus 2 tan 18 degrees into tan 72 degrees minus cot square 30 degrees. See here, sin square 34 degrees plus, see here sin square, here 56 degrees, we should convert 30 degrees minus 44, 90 minus 44 value 56 degrees, that's why 56 degrees replace, we can apply 90 degrees minus 34 degrees, plus 2 tan of, see here 18 degrees, we can write 90 minus 72, 90 minus 72 18 degrees, that's why tan of 90 degrees minus 72 degrees into tan 72 degrees minus cot square 30 degrees. Next, see, sin square 34 degrees plus, see here sin 90 degrees will become cos, that's why cos square 34 degrees, plus 2 into, again tan 90 degrees will become cot, that's why cot 72 degrees into tan 72 degrees minus, see here, cot 30 degrees, cot 30 degrees value root 3, that's why in cot 30 replace we should apply root 3. But here square is there, that's why we have to put square. Next, see here in bracket, see in this bracket, this is the trigonometrical identity, first identity, this is sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. So same like that, sin square 34 degrees plus cos square 34 degrees value 1, that's why in this place we should apply 1, plus, see here 2 into cot formula 1 by tan, that's why in cot replace we should apply 1 by tan 72 degrees into tan 72 degrees minus, see here root 3 whole square is there here. Here root 3 whole square, square root 2 cancel, remaining is 3. Next, 1 plus 2, see here numerator, denominator tan 72, numerator tan 72 degrees cancel, remaining these 2 cancel means remaining 2 is there. So 1 plus 2 minus 3. See here 1 plus 2 3, 3 minus 3 0. So the answer is 0 is the answer. Thank you students. See remaining problem you should do homework.